Never say no, auto, we say yes!
You are going to love the 2013 Mazda 5. The 6-passenger Mazda 5 combines excellent fuel economy and minivan utility with exceptional handling and athletic good looks. Feel the power of this multi-activity vehicle that leaves nothing behind. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, autonomous braking, Bluetooth, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Come see us at Never Say No Auto in Springfield on Glenstone across from Evangel, or in Bolivar, 1 block south of Walmart.
Never say no,